Hello, I'm Franco Rotoli from the Solidworks training team. When designing, many times, it's best to keep sketches simple and use one sketch per feature. Sometimes, though, it's more efficient and more organized to start with a master or layout sketch and have all your dimensions and relations in one place. Let's take a look at an example. We have this custom pencil holder with 4 equal compartments at several different heights. While I could sketch each compartment separately, it's much easier to just make a single sketch. With a single sketch, I can control the overall diameter and the segment sizes in one place. While this sketch is not appropriate for a traditional extrusion, we see at the bottom of the Extrude dialog, there's a Selected Contours box. This allows us to select either closed regions or sketch segments within our sketch and only extrude those selections. In this case, I'll select the back triangular region. Since I want it to be hollow, I'll make it a thin extrusion of 2 mm wall thickness. And extrude at a height of 102 mm. Notice the sketch icon is different now. This tells me that a contour of this sketch was used. Since there is more information in this sketch that I'd like to use in other features, I can simply select it from the Feature Manager design tree and click the Extrude tool again. This time, I'll select the 2 side triangular regions. Extrude them to 70 mm and make them 2 mm thin walls as well. I'll repeat the process again for the last section, extruding to 50 mm. Next, I'll use the closed circle sketch contour to extrude the bottom of the pencil holder. I'll finish off the model with some fillets and we're done. You can see how much time using contours, regions, and shared sketches saved me in this design. I was able to create 4 extrude features and control them all from one simple sketch. Thanks for watching. If you found this content helpful, visit the site below to access more content to help you be more efficient using SolidWorks.